How to delete a voice memo on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Once you're here, go to All Recordings at the top. You are now in the All Recordings page where you can view all your recordings. From here, tap on any recording that you want to delete. And then, tap on Delete icon below. You have now successfully deleted this recording. Now, go back to the Voice Memos page and tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you will find all your recently deleted recordings. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Select the recordings you want to permanently delete from here and then tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete Forever to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete a voice memo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.